Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Trading Matters. Trading Matters Technical Analysis, Chapter 1 Candlesticks. And today we are going to learn about candlestick, that is Red Marubozu. Red Marubozu Characteristics. So generally any candle will be having an open price and a close price and a high price and a low price. And for this Marabozu, red Marabozu, you will not having any wicks. So in this case, open is almost equals to high and close is equals to low. So for a red Marabozu, open is equals to high and close is equals to low. A red Marabozu is a long bodied candlestick with no shadows or wicks. So obviously open is equal to high and close is equals to low. However, in reality, we will consider minor variation up to 0.2 percentage. And let's see how we will calculate this minor variation. So take it for granted. A red Marabozu is having high at 1100, open is equals to 1100 and closed at 1001 and low is at 1000. Now here the difference between low and close is, so low is equals to 1000, close is equals to 1001. So percentage wise 1 out of 1000, 1 is equals to, percent wise it is 0.1. So this Marabozu is valid Marabozu. You can trade on this Marabozu. So consider again one more Marabozu. So here high value is equal to 110 and open is equals to also 110. Closed at 101 and take it for granted its low is 100. So now here the difference between low and close is 101 minus 100, that is equals to 1. So 1 out of 100 is 1%. So you can take it as 1%. So when it exceeds that 0.2 percentage, then we will consider it as not a true Marabozu, then we will avoid the trading. Red Marubozu indications. The red Marubozu candle indicates that sellers controlled the price of the stock from the opening bell to the close of the day. So here from open, so for a red candle, top one is open and bottom low is low. So from beginning of the day, sellers dominates the trade, so it will decrease from open to close. Red Marubozu is considered very bearish. So red Marubozu means sellers are in domination. Red Marubozu area of value. Area of value means depending upon the trend, we will discuss about the area of value. So in which trend we will apply, we will trade the red Marubozu. A red Marubozu valuable anywhere in the chart irrespective of the prior trend. So you can trade anywhere when a red Marubozu forms in the given candlestick chart, whether it is uptrend, whether it is downtrend, sideways trend. Suppose observe the chart. So here you will be observe Marubozu at the end. So this red one is Marubozu candlestick because its open is equal to high and its low is equal to close, and there is no wicks, there is no shadows on this red candlestick. And if you observe the trend, this chart is formed, this candlestick chart is forming series of higher highs and lower lows. So you can say that this trend is uptrend. So this is an uptrend. So in uptrend, when a Marubozu forms on the top of a trend, so this top position is called area of value. And here if you observe another chart, here red Marubozu forms at bottom of the chart, and if you observe the candlestick pattern, they are forming series of lower lows and lower highs. So now we can say that this is downtrend. So in a downtrend, if Marubozu forms at bottom of the chart, we will consider that place as area of value. So here the candlesticks are moving in sideways. So simply we can say that this is a sideways trend. So even though a red Marubozu forms in a sideways trend, we will consider that one to trade. So after the formation of red Marubozu, what will be the expected potential direction? So that we will discuss next. Irrespective of prior trend, red Marubozu formation indicates potential direction downside. So wherever it forms, whether it is formed in uptrend or whether it is formed in downtrend, the potential direction we can predict that it will move to downside. So here like this, the chart will next continue. And in downtrend, if red Marubozu appears at the bottom, so in this downtrend also, the potential direction will be downside only. So the chart will follows further down. In sideways trend also, if red Marubozu forms, then potential direction, expected potential direction will be downside. So chart will follows like this. So the conclusion is, irrespective of prior trend, uptrend, downtrend or sideways trend, red Marubozu formation always indicates that the potential direction is towards downside. Red Marubozu entry. So how, when I read, okay, now you are observed a red Marubozu in the daily chart. So now how we will take a trade? So sell around the closing price of a bearish Marubozu. So place the trade around the closing price on the same day as the pattern forms, as the pattern means the candlestick, or place the trade around the closing price on the next day after doubly confirming the trend. So here this is red Marubozu form at the bottom, and top of a red candle always indicates opening price and bottom of a red candle always indicates closing price. Now if you wanted to take a trade, you can place a trade near to the closing price. So that will be on same day. So place the trade few minutes before the closing of the day session after confirming that the Marubozu formed is valid, means 0.2%, below 0.2 percentage, or you can place the trade on the next day around closing price after doubly confirming the trend. So doubly confirming means if the next candle forms below the closing price, you can take a trade. Otherwise, if the next candle forms above the closing price, then we will wait for further confirmation. And this is downside candle, so we will take the means if the after formation of a red Marabozu, if the next trading session is a gap down session, we will take the trade around the closing price. If not, if the next trading session, if it is gap up open, so in the next trading session, if the market opens gap up, then we will stop taking trade, and we will wait for a good confirmation again. Green Marabozu stop loss. Place the stop loss around the red Marabozu candle high. So here we will place the stop loss around the red Marabozu high. So whenever the difference between closing price and stop loss is high, means if bearish Marubozu length is high, then you will be having larger losses. So we will avoid taking this much stop loss. We will avoid taking that big Marubozu trade also, because stop loss is very important in taking a trade. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel.